Welcome to The Truth About Elephants. My name's Anthony, and today we're going to dive into things that aren't common knowledge about the elephant and little known facts you could keep in your back pocket to spice up a conversation. Now, there are currently two main species of elephants, including the African elephants and the Asian elephants. Now, the African elephants live in Central Africa and southern parts of Africa, and Asian elephants are found all along Southeast Asia, along in parts of Indonesia and Malaysia and Brunei, parts of Myanmar, and parts of India as well, all the way up into the foothills of the Himalayas. Now, Asian elephants are the elephants you see that are being ridden, the ones that have shorter ears with a bigger hump on their backs, closer to the center of their spine. African elephants cannot be domesticated in any conventional way. It's the same reason why we ride horses, but we don't ride zebras. Now, the African bush elephant is the largest land animal in the world. They can grow up to 13 feet tall and up to 14,000 pounds. Both species of elephants are considered the largest land animals on Earth. And because of that, they can't jump. Like at all. Ever wonder why elephants are so wrinkly? It's to retain moisture. The mud and the water that gets put on their back and on their skin actually holds inside of those wrinkles longer, and it could absorb into the skin. Elephants can't actually drink with their trunk. They suck up water with their trunk and they shoot it into their own mouth to drink. The average weight of an elephant trunk is 400 pounds. When a baby calf is born, it's raised by the entire herd. If you're ever in elephant territory and you hear giant cracking and falling over of trees, it's not lightning. Elephants push over trees in order to eat the moist roots at the bottom. They have to continually eat 16 hours every day in order to fulfill the 300 to 400 pound limit of food that they need. Sometimes conservationists make nature corridors so elephants can safely pass under highways or by risky areas. Nature corridors are designed for animals to pass through without any interference with humans. Now, conservationists get elephants to use these corridors by dropping vanilla on the ground. Now, these couple drops of vanilla will lure elephants from miles away to use this corridor. Elephants are matriarchal, which means they are led by the oldest and often largest female in the herd. Cool, so above all else, just remember that these elephants are incredibly majestic, intelligent beings, and they deserve to be wild. So, there are things we can do to help. We can not support those things that hurt elephants and support things that help elephants out. Like there's a place called Green Hill Valley out in Myanmar, and their job is to basically take care of elephants that have been orphaned or elephants that need help almost literally getting back on their feet. That way they can go out in the wild again. So there is hope in the future. Just remember that we are the solution.